Yo! What is good? Welcome back to Josh on Point mga pare. So ngayon ang pag-uusapan natin kung bakit ang walking away ng isang lalaki ang kahinaan ng isang babae. Ready ka na pare? Hit mo ng like button, share mo na rin, and let's go!
Bad boy straight ka la kill, ako 10 toes down.
Seduce, foreplay, climax are still available sa mga shops natin. Kung under ka ng self-improvement or gusto mo lang mag-amoy mabango sa mga dates mo pare, wala ka nang hahanapin pa sa tatlo na to. Okay? Or kung gusto mo naman makamura, gusto mong meron ka nung tatlo, meron tayo niyan pare. Bad Boy Trinity, nandiyan na yung tatlong perfume sa isang box. Sulit na yan para sa inyo mga pare. Available sa TikTok shop, link nasa description. Walk away, no? Gustong-gusto kong gawa ng content to mga ganitong klaseng usapin, no? Kasi ang dami pa rin, kumbaga hindi siya kasali, no? Hindi siya kasali sa wirings nating mga lalaki. Lalo-lalo na yung karamihan ng kalalakihan, no? Pag nadi-disrespect na sila, wala nang pagmamahal yung mga babae nila sa kanila, dinidisrespect na sila, pinapahiya na sila, pinagdadamot na ang marami nang pinagdadamot sa kanila yung mga babae nila. Hindi pumapasok sa isip nila ang umalis na lang. Magtitiis sila pare, pagtitiisan nila yung disrespect na ginagawa na sa kanila ng mga babae nila. Ang hindi kasi natin alam bro, at ang gusto ko ma-realize natin dito sa video na to, ang pag-walk away sa pangit na relasyon ang isa sa mga pinakamaganda mong magagawa sa sarili mo, bro. So, panoorin natin ito mga pare.
I was going to tell him that I wanted a divorce. I texted my therapist, our marriage counselor, and I was like, I need to tell him that I want a divorce, but I want to do it in a session so that there's like a mediator present. Got us in like ASAP, like 2 days later. And I walked in knowing that I was going to ask for a divorce. We sit down and...
So, si girl, gusto nang mag-file ng divorce sa kanyang current na relationship na to. No? So, again, pare, wala pang divorce dito sa atin, sa Pilipinas, pero no, nilalakad na to at ang alam ko, malapit na tong mapasa or ma-deny. Pero nilalakad na ang divorce sa atin, pare. At for sure ako, bro, once na kung mapatupad man yung divorce, ang kakailanganin nyo lalo ng mindset natin, pare. No, ay kakailanganin nyo lalo ang magbasa ng relationship, magbasa ng tao. Kaya ngayon pa lang, no, matuto nang magbasa ng tao, matuto nang mag-walk away. Dahil pag dumating ang divorce na yan, bro, maraming kalalakihan talaga ngayon ang magugulantang, no, magugulpi de gulat. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano nangyari.
Session. It's like really tense, really awkward. My ex was sitting there like, so why do we have an emergency session? Therapist was like, Jamie, do you want to start? And I just started crying and I was like, I want a divorce. You know, it's hard for me to like say the words. I'm done. I want a divorce. But he sat there quiet. I'm sitting next to him crying. He didn't move. He didn't look at me. He didn't react at all. He just was stone cold. And eventually our therapist was like, would you like to respond? He responded right away. And he's like, fine, let's just go ahead and finalize the details.
Oh, di ba? So, ginusto niya mag-divorce, no? Now, nagulat ngayon siya na ang reaction nung lalaki oh, go ahead, let's do it. Di ba? Mamaya pag-uusapan natin bakit isa yun sa mga best move na ginawa nung lalaki na yun. Kung bakit pumayag na lang siya right there and there. Pumayag siya na, sige, gusto mo ng divorce? Tara.
Therapist and I was just like kind of stunned. I knew that I was ready to leave, but I couldn't believe that that was his reaction. There was no empathy, there was no compassion, there was no like wanting to fight for us. I didn't think that there would be, but I...
Di ba? Ang gulo niya eh. Gusto niya ng divorce. Now, divorce is a system na for separation agad. Okay? The fact na nag-decide ka ng separation ikaw mismo ayaw mo nang ayusin yung relationship. Ikaw ang nag-file, ikaw ang may gustong mag-divorce. Pero ang gusto mong mag-ayos yung lalaki. Nagulat daw siya kung bakit wala daw reaction yung lalaki. Nagulat daw siya bakit hindi gusto ipaglaban ng lalaki. Bakit? Bakit ipaglalaban? Ikaw nga may gustong hiwalayan na. Buti sana kung ang gusto mo pag-usapan yung relationship. Tumalon ka agad dun sa hiwalayan. Divorce ka agad ang gusto mo. Diba? Tapos magugulat siya bakit umagri lang yung lalaki. Binigay yung gusto mo. Ayaw mo ba nun? This is the reason why mas gusto talaga ng babae na mag-beg ka, no, bilang lalaki. Gusto nila yan. Gusto nila yung mga may ganyan, yung may something na system na pabor sa kanila like divorce. No, gusto nilang makita yung lalaki na magmamakaawa, na iligtas yung relationship. Tapos, ang pinaka-goal nila doon, makita nga na magmakaawa yung lalaki at i-reject yung pagmamakaawa na yun. Yun ang pinaka parang, ano nila yan, orgasm nila yan, no, ng mga babaeng ulupong. Ang makitang magmakaawa yung lalaki at i-reject pa rin yung nagmamakaawang lalaki na yun. Hinihiling niya mangyari sana yun, kaso hindi. Naging nonchalant yung lalaki.
Tell him that I wanted a divorce. I texted my therapist, our marriage counselor, and I was like, I need to tell him that I want a divorce, but I want to do it in a session so that there's like a mediator. Like, say the words. I'm done. I want a divorce. He sat there quiet. I'm sitting next to him crying. He didn't move. He didn't look at me. He didn't react at all. He just was stone cold. And eventually our therapist was like, would you like to respond? He responded right away. And he's like, fine, let's just go ahead and finalize the details. And that was that. I looked at my therapist and I was just like kind of stunned. I knew that I was ready to leave, but I couldn't believe that that was his reaction. There was no empathy, there was no compassion, there was no like wanting to fight for us. I didn't think that there would be, but you know, you just always hope that like one last try. We went home that night.
Tingnan mo, gusto niya pa manggaling yung one last try na sinasabi niya doon sa lalaki. Pero siya ang nag-open up, siya ang may gusto ng divorce. Biruin mo kung gaano kabaliw itong mga babae na to sa Western country. Diba?
Didn't speak. He slept on the couch. I woke up and went to work the next day. Came home. He was playing PlayStation that night. I sat next to him. We hadn't talked in 24 hours. I said, can we talk about what happened yesterday? And he was just playing, just looking straight ahead. And he's like, what's to talk about? In my mind, I'm thinking, this is our last ditch effort to like steer this ship around, you know? And I was like, so what are we gonna do? And he just kept playing. And he was like, I already got an apartment. I already took my name off of the lease. He had done things. Within that 24 hours, he had opened up the filing folder of his single man life and went ahead and got all this shit done. I was...
Very nice. Ganon mag-handle ng babaeng gustong makipaghiwalay na. No? Ganon pare. That's the perfect reaction. Ang umagri at maging nonchalant ka lang, mag-stay cold ka lang pare. and tignan ninyo kung ano yung naging reaction ng babae. Siya yung may gusto ng decision. Diba ganito yan Tignan nyo to Girls make yung mga ganitong klase ng baliw na babae. Gusto nilang mag-desisyon ng mga ganitong klaseng hiwalayan because they're waiting for a reaction galing sa yung lalaki. Gusto nilang matrigger ka. Okay? Gusto nilang matrigger ka. Gusto nila na umiyak ka. Gusto nilang matrigger ka. Gusto nilang magwala ka. Gusto nilang mag-beg ka. Yan ang orgasm nila. No, now, yun ang ine-expect nila, di ba? Iba yung naging reaction mo. Umagri ka, tapos nonchalant ka pa, stay cold ka pa. Yung ine-expect nila pare na reaction mo, yun ang magpapabaliw sa kanila bro. Sila ngayon ang, imbis na tayo yung nag-iisip ng kung ano-ano, sila. Para kang nag-mirror move. Alam mo yung mirror? Reflect shield. Nag-reflect shield ka. Naka-reflect shield yung lalaking nonchalant. Nakaganyan. Tinira ka ng babae ng curse. Tapos naka-reflect shield ka. Boom! Binalik mo sa kanya. Ganon. Okay? Yun ang nangyayari pare. Kumbaga yung Pag walk away mo, that's the reflex shield. Yan ang power ng walking away. Reflex shield yan. Di ba? Imbis na ikaw ang mag-overthink, siya ngayon ang mag-overthink. Siya ngayon ang dadalawang isip dun sa ginawa niya. And yun ang isa sa mga rason. Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo, bro, if a girl is misbehaving, mistreating you, disrespecting you, huwag ka nang makipag-usap. Okay? Now, yung maging klaro lang tayo. Yung mga maliliit na issue, yung mga petty issue, pag-usapan. Pero yung mga disrespect, pangwawalang hiya sa relasyon ninyo, huwag ka nang makipag-usap, huwag ka nang mag-react, huwag mo nang gulpihin yan huwag mo nang gulpihin, pre. Okay? Tangina, hindi natin pinopromote yung ganyang shit. Huwag ka nang magalit. Just walk away. Isang chat lang. Kung gusto mo talagang parusahan yung babae sa ginawa niya, just walk away, pare. Mababaliw yung babae na yung kakaisip kung ano yung ginawa niya. Yan ngayon yung maituturo nyo sa mga babae ninyo, mag-self-reflect. Kasi, let's be honest, bro, hindi talaga naturuan ng hindi talaga naturuan ng mga magulang nila yan, ng reality. Ang mga babae ng ganyang lesson, mag-self-reflect. Laging yung society, tinuruan ng mga babae na you're perfect what you are. May pepe ka, babae ka, may suso ka. You are perfect, walang mali sa'yo. Naturo sa kanila yan. Now, ang trabaho ng lalaki dito sa mundo na to is to build, create, and also teach women a lesson. Just walk away, pare. Okay? Hindi ako agree dito sa mga nangyayari lalo ngayon dito sa social media na nanggugulpe. Di ba? Hindi na eh. Talo ka pa dyan eh. Talo ka pa dyan pag nanggulpe ka. Kulong ka pa dyan, pare. Vowsy, di ba? May batas na dyan. Kahit siya naman yung nan-trigger sa'yo. Kasi sasabihin, nan-trigger po. Tinrigger ako eh. Nagpa-trigger ka naman. Just walk away, pare. That's how you defeat manipulation eh. Just walk away. So I hope sa maikling video na to natulungan kayo dyan, no? On how to handle this kind of shit. And sana may nagising tayo, no? So leave a comment down below, pare, kung anong masasabi ninyo dito sa pinag-usapan natin. Okay? Meron ba kayong mga instances na nag-walk away kayo at ganito nga yung nangyari? I'm sure meron. Share niyo yan sa baba. Right? This is Josh on Point. See you next time. Boom.
GFAB.